Just now. We're at the cave in the rock. We found this cool sign that, well, we're keeping this place safe. And that's cool. We like that. Now, I'm going to try to run up here.
I wish they had your water.
Before. You go run up here too, brother? All right. I'm going to try to get up here and read this sign real quick. And
this is not wheelchair.
this is not, damn, it's killing me. This is not, wheelchair. All right, so much around, and now we're crawling.
Oh, I see the sign.
I'm getting ready to stop. Have to take a break. Friggin' legs is cramping. Back's killing me. And it's all just from sitting on my ass. Shine, come here. Hi. No, it's fine, honey. I got his leash right here. I put her on it. I didn't know anyone was going to be up here. Come here, girl. Stay there. There you go. There you go. Hi, how are you?
That's the way down there.
And it is, what does it say?
Geological wonder.
Geological wonder. Man, the sun's so bright, I can't hardly see it. Hi, how are you doing? All right. Come on, girl. Let's get over the way. All right. Good girl. And I don't think we're going to find any amenities here.
Oh, no.
So we're going to head down the river, see what we can do. Holler at y'all in a minute, man.